Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to customize your cursor in Windows 11 and give it a sleek black look. So, let's get started. Press the Windows key plus I key to launch the Settings application. Then, click on the Accessibility Setting option from the left panel. Select the mouse pointer and touch option under the Vision section. Then, from the mouse pointer style options, click on the black cursor style, and your cursor will turn to black color. Click on the search icon and type mouse settings in the search box that opens, then press Enter. Select Additional Mouse Settings under Related Settings section. Switch to the Pointers tab in Mouse Properties. Now, click on the Scheme drop-down menu and select Windows Black System Scheme. Click on Apply, then select OK to save the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.